Hi, Jenna. This is Oscar here, and I just wanted to create a video tutorial for you in order for you to set up your PayPal account inside your dashboard. Actually, we're already done with the website construction. We only just need to have the product, if the product is ready, and we are almost good to go. But now I'm in the process of creating the super checkout where you can be able to charge your client using your PayPal account. And I can't access the last part that I'm working on right now, okay? Because we need to upload the images, the product description, categories, and all that inside the super checkout. And one thing that we need in there is to set up your PayPal account, okay? So this is basically now the website is done, and once you get into this dashboard, all you just need to do is go to the super checkout and create a sample product. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do right now, but I can't access totally. It's because they need PayPal payment, in the system. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Okay. So once you are into the dashboard, go to the super checkout and you will end up here. And the next thing you need to do is create products. So this is just for you to have access on the flow. Okay. So once you get here, whatever type of images you have, you can literally, just add or upload images here. This is basically the product that we're going to have. But since we just wanted to get the PayPal setup, so we're just gonna do this kind of like testing, and I'll do it, and I'll do all this once you set up the PayPal. Okay, so we're just gonna do test so we can go in the process. So, what type of product we are selling? Physical product, and the category we're gonna have hit under the health and fitness. Then click the next button. So basically, this is like information, the currency, the amount, and all that. Bro. So okay, we're just gonna do all right. So once you are in the pricing, click the next button. And this is the part where I need your participation. That's why I need your, um, I need this video showing to you. Okay. So they're asking at least one payment option, right? So once you click that, you want to choose the PayPal. That's what we're going to use. And what you need to do here is you need to get the your PayPal account client ID and secret ID. This is the in regards with the integration with the builder all and your PayPal account. Okay, so this is what basically is. So you can collect money from your any visitor or anyone will buy products on your website. So actually, there's a instruction here how you're going to do it, but I might do it as well, you know, with this video. Okay, and you can also have this as a guide. Okay, the instruction here. So once you uh, here, just click this button and it will go you to the actual PayPal dashboard. And this is my account. I cannot create a new one, so I'm just showing you the video how you're going to do it. Okay, so once you get here, it might, because since I already have my account, they just sent me to the main dashboard. But if you don't have account yet, they might gonna send you directly in here, right in this dashboard here. So the next thing you need to do when you're here, or you might gonna end up in the dashboard where you can see this thing here. Okay, The next thing you need to do is log into the developer dashboard. Click that button. And what they actually need is since I've already have an account, as you can see here, Monkey Media Media, no, Media Marketing Media, what they want is your right here. The client ID, which is what you are going to copy. You're going to copy this thing here and you're gonna have it here, you know, like paste it over here, the client ID. And where am I? As you can see here, the secret, when you click this button, it will show up the number, the secret, okay? So just copy this, and this is the one you're going to paste under right here, okay? Paste it right here. So take note that it says here by default, PayPal generate a sandbox app. If you want to go live, create another app integration by setting it as live. So in your case, once you grab your client ID, the secret ID, you're going to set it up right here. I'm going to show it to you, okay? Where are we? So this is where you're going to, so this is basically what they need, the client ID and the secret ID right here, okay? So in order to do that, let's go back. Click this button here and create an app. It says right here, right? This is where you're going to create app, okay? And then have your information. It could be your company's name, right? And then by clicking the button below, you agree to paper. I think you need to, let's say ABC. I don't want to do it again because it might, you know, let's create. I think you probably know this. And then create app. Let's see what it will show up. I think this is where you can see your, as you can see right here. Okay, I think we just see literally it shows up the company name. This is the client ID, and this is your ID that you need to paste in the dashboard from Super Checkout right here. Okay, you're done, and generate new secret, it says, but I'm not gonna do this. It's gonna bring trouble with me. So that's basically what it is. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. Just copy and paste those numbers. Okay, once you're done, I hope didn't bring any trouble here with me with my account. I'm gonna cancel this. I'm gonna cancel. Let's see. I think it registered that thingy. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna go over back again to my account. Oh, sure. So I'm gonna have to edit this because I don't need this. I mean, delete. Okay, delete this. There you go. Yeah. So this is my actual account. Remember, when you enter, just try to click the live button. Okay, put it under live. So um, you can literally collect payment, to your client when you put it. Don't, because Sandbox is kind of like a trial, okay, trial version. It's kind of like a test, put it on live mode, okay. So that's how you're going to do it. So I think I'm done with that, and I'm gonna log out. So that's all you need. That's the only thing that you need to get done. Once you paste everything here, um, everything will shows up here. I mean, the people will shows up here. Then I can be able to create, the product description, loading the product of your, the for your website, for the product that you are selling. Right now, I can't do anything. So this is the reason why I create this video. So for you to be able to set that up. Okay. I hope it makes sense. If you have any question, message me. Thank you. Have a great night. Bye.